This week I'm building another breaker bar because the last one I gave to my dad, and this one even cheaper. Some of the stuff I'll be using: three-quarter pipe, a 90-degree elbow, 3-inch, 3/8 shank, 1/4 inch, and that's a 2-inch long Chinese built spacer. Cut a piece of metal. I don't know what type of metal the pipe is made, so thread locker. Make sure it doesn't come apart, even though I think it's gonna be a big fail, but we'll never know.
Everything is gonna be, yeah.
I think it's just spruce. Yeah, heat treated.
Made an excellent choice.
So, about the tool, I'm really impressed. It surpassed all my expectation. I thought it would break right away in the joint, but man, it hold up. It really cost effective because an elbow, a 3-foot pipe, and a bolt and a sleeve. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends if you did like it, and subscribe because every week I tend to put another one. So on that note, now I got a pallet breaking bar. This is the other one I gave to my dad. So guys, I'll see you on the next one.